Hey, welcome back. Today we have a 2019 Ridgeline in the garage with a busted fog light. Actually, both of these are busted, so we got to swap them out. And I know there's not a lot of room to do this, but let's see if we can do this without having to pull off the complete front bumper. Alright, first thing, it'll help if you get the car raised up in the air a little bit. I'm rolling around on the creeper. You got to remove this cover. There's a combination of some 10mm bolts. There is Phillips head screw there, and a bunch of these plastic clips. That one's already out. Gotta pull those out. Pop these clips out. You can use a screwdriver if you don't have a pry tool. Take down the rest of this cover. Okay, the cover is removed. There's all the hardware pieces. Like I said, it's a mishmash of some bolts, some Phillips head screws, and the little plastic clips. That little center piece you could leave. It's not in your way. That could just hang out of the way. And then now you have access to see up to the lights where they are. There you go. There are 3 screws that hold on the light. There's a little stud that's on that one side, right? I don't know if you can see, right over there. So Phillips head screws. You're going to need a little stubby screwdriver or a ratchet with a Phillips head on it. Let me see what will work the best. You got to push on the little tab to unplug this. I already did because I can't show you both things at the same time. Now, and also to give you a little more room, take the light bulb out of the way. You got to twist it and pop it out. This way you could stick your hand up in there to get to that screw that's up on the top and on the side. And what I am going to be using is this little setup. It's a 1/4-inch ratchet with this little thumb wheel. You could use it as a screwdriver or use a little leverage on it. This was a Craftsman thing. I picked it up years ago at Sears. So comes in handy, and then you could use it just as a little screwdriver itself. Gets in really tight spaces. There is the part number. I had this for years. I don't even know if they make it anymore. Okay, the light is out. It's a tough squeeze to put your hands in there. What I did do also is loosen this panel up so I can get my arm inside a little bit more. And let me show you here on this. There are only 3 screws holding it on. 1, 2, 3. This other one has a little keyhole in it. There's a screw that you'll see up there. That's like over here. You don't have to touch that one. But there it is. It's out. Alright, we got some aftermarket replacements. Let's make sure they look very similar. Yes, they do. Plugs in. Alright, very good. Okay, all the screws are tight in there. Like I said, you're going to be reaching in there by feel and doing it. And then now we could put the bulb back in and plug the light in. Okay, these are aftermarket lights. They fit in pretty nicely. So you got the right one to put in now. There is a little adjustment screw so you could adjust the beam on these things. So if you look on the bottom of your bumper, there will be a hole that you could put a screwdriver or like a hex head drive. Oh, it's got a Phillips screwdriver in there to adjust the beam. So we'll check them later to see how they are. As always, I love helping people fix their own cars, but please, I need a little help. Subscribe, like, do that stuff. These were TCY lights. They fit really good. They are Kappa certified, so I don't know what they cost because the owner bought them, but overall, I would say they fit very well. Okay, we got the left one done. Now we got the right one to do. Actually, this one looks like I have a little more space to work. I already got the light unplugged and the bulb removed, so we'll reach up there and do the same thing. Okay, cover's all installed. We're done. The key to doing this job is a stubby screwdriver. You need something like this to get the job done. It could be a short, stubby one like that, but this actually may be a little bit too long sometimes. So the shorter the better. Thanks for watching.